Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to a new YouTube video. I'm gonna backtest today and I'm gonna backtest again, yes, because you like it a lot. And welcome to a backtesting session that is really quick. You'll never see someone backtest so fast, take wonderful good trades, get another 100% win rate, hopefully, and actually explain every trade that I take well, because I'm trading continuation model and the only thing that I need is a draw liquidity and a safe stop loss, but my own way, so guys, a little bit more discretionary, and I'm gonna backtest this today. Boom. Really quick, as I told y'all, quickest backtesting you've ever seen, but the best backtesting session. So I actually don't have a month picked out yet, so I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, give me a random month and year between 2020 and 2025. Okay, we got. I hope you can see this shit. Oh wait, March 2023. So we can actually stay on March. No, yeah, we can stay on March and take 2023, which is good because we are actually currently in March. And next week is April, which is so crazy to think how fast time goes by. But yeah, it is what it is, gang. It is what it is. Got my raw honey right here to spike my insulin and fire up my brain in order to keep the backtesting session going, because my brain hurts every single time when I'm backtesting. And of course, water that I already spilled. Remove this shit right here. Not my layout, by the way, because it's my friend's account. So yeah, pull up the ES chart real quick, sync the interval, skip to the New York session, and boom, immediately gonna start. I'm always just gonna tell you the game plan. Start in the 4 hour, 1 hour, look for the drawn liquidities, 15-minute structure, 1 minute entry with good displacement as safe stop loss. And how does it look like on the 1 hour right now? Boom, looks like we are chopping around. It's one thing that I don't like. So we are probably gonna end up edging this low. I'm still gonna mark it out, but my main draw is kind of somewhere here. So let's see how we're gonna behave. Now, how's the 50-minute structure looking like? Displacing from the 50-minute gap looks really clean. Let's see if we get. Oh wait, bro. We actually do get okay. I like this, but look at ES. I don't like what ES is doing, so I'm gonna wait till they kind of correlate. Yeah, that's exactly why. Like a really bad condition is when NQ and ES do not correlate. Look at this, and like NQ is really displacing lower and ES doesn't. So what the fuck? Okay, chop around, go lower, take out the main draw. Let's see if you want to take out the next one as well. Good displacement throw the first draw, so seems like you want to take it out. Let's see if we get a flip, something on a 5-minute. Tap the 5-minute gap. Let's mark this 15-minute gap out as well, but it's getting pretty late. It's already 10:30 and we're chopping around, so I'm not a fan of that. Tap the 15-minute. Okay, push higher. I don't care about this anymore, pretty much. Yeah, it's weird movement. And again, we are stuck in this weird range. I don't like this. Delivering. No draws lower. How's ES looking like? Okay, ES got some better draws, I can't lie. I'm gonna mark those out right here, just in case. Boom. This draw isn't that bad as well. So let's see, maybe get something on ES this time. 5-minute looks pretty bad. So let's see how we behave this 5-minute of this. There should be, yeah, there's a 50-minute gap. This is my condition. We are respecting it. ES flips lower actually. And low-key, I fuck with it. We are chopping around, but I fuck with it. Oh, this was data high. Oh, I messed this up. Fuck, I messed this up. But there are no entries to the data high. Let's see if we get a little more displacement, because I don't like trading in ranges. And yeah, because you cannot predict when we are gonna break out of the range. Oh, I didn't see this. This looks good. Unfilled 4-hour gap, pretty much equal highs. I like it. I like it a lot. There's also another one. But yeah, unfilled higher time frame gaps also really good draws. Please, 1-minute load. Perfect. So we kind of move higher. We fail to go lower. So we really don't want to have this draw right here. I'm going to remove this. If we get a retrace and a flip now, like something like this, we get a retrace, boom, and then go higher. Get something for a 1-to-1. This would be perfect. But it looks like we are gonna this. Oh my god! Wait, 5 minutes? Everything is rebalanced. Didn't sweep anything, so we are not like we're kind of reacting off this fifth tiny gap. I don't care about it. Equal highs. I like those equal highs. So I think this is like I don't care about this week honestly. I think this is still an A+ setup because the stop is also pretty big. This is a good stop. You got a really deep retrace after displacing really crazy. I just want to see how the next candle opens up. Let me just go on this 1 second. I want to see how like we would look at this in the live markets. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Or wait, there's no. Do we have the lower? We don't have the lower wick, right? Okay, now we put in the lower wick. If you flip bullish now, yeah, I'm gonna take it. You put in the lower wick, just a good risk reward ratio. I like this a lot. I'm gonna smack a little bit more on that. This looks like a really good trade. Looks like we wanna push higher. It makes sense that the flip is not the greatest because we didn't even tap any higher time frame gaps, but this looks really perfect. I would bet my life on this trade and go break. Okay, perfect. I literally want to tell you, go break even here, but we closed all the way up there and we took out the draw. Literally A+ setup. Movement towards a good draw on liquidity, equal highs at like a 4-hour unfilled gap. Boom, perfect retrace flip. Bam. This is what I want to see, and this is how I want to start the backtesting session. Perfect. Okay, we ended up pushing much more higher. Let's see. Wait, can I? Yeah, I can make this smaller. Also listening to music right now. I hope you don't hear it. Follow you, deep sea, baby. I follow you. Okay, you got this high on an ES. This kind of an SMT, right? Yeah, we got SMT right here. Any unfilled higher time frame gaps? All the way down right here. So I don't know if this is kind of good if we drop all the way down. You filled this 50-minute gap. Looks like you want to go higher. I think ES is a little bit close. Okay, yeah, we are. I like this. I want to see how the 5-minute closes because this this could be a really good play of the 5-minute. I don't want to jump in too prematurely. I just want to see how the 5-minute closes. I'm gonna take this. Yeah, I'm gonna. I am for sure. It's like the same shit, just on the 5-minute, like with the higher time frame gap. Even though we got an SMT right here, at those sides we are clearly pushing lower, higher, and we are respecting bullish gaps right here. No need to go to down there anymore. NQ and ES are. That's the only shit that I don't like. It's the only shit that I don't like. Uncorrelated, but a 5-minute flip. I'm gonna go break even really quick. I'm gonna go break even like at the next push at the internal high. Wait. Order. I like this, but not too crazy. So I'm just gonna go 500 risk. Is this right? Am I in the trade? Oh, okay, wait. Okay, that's alright. Is it the 5-minute? Okay, what the fuck? We got the most wonderful candle of all time. This is perfect. I'm gonna literally, boom, go break even immediately. This is exactly what I want to see. If you see this 5-minute close, we next candle should have pumped higher. I don't like that we don't have a wick, so I pray we get the... Okay, literally next candle took it. I just want to say I pray we don't get the lower wick on the next candle, because we tend to put in the lower wicks, but we end up pushing higher, and now we put in the lower wick. Okay, yeah. Whatever, literally same exact scenario. Push towards a good draw on liquidity, get a retrace, get a flip. Flip looks really good. Like the retrace is so slow. We retraced in literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could say 5-minute candles and flipped in two 5-minute candles. So we ate up all of the retrace, all of it, and went higher. Pretty easy. But now I don't want to take longs. Even though you would say, yo, you're trading continuations, why you don't want to take longs in those conditions? Volume is dying out right here. We are really overextended. I can already tell on the 1 hour. Yep. Too many 1 hour gaps that... Oh, we are in Asia. Too many 1 hour gaps. I mean, I like Asia. So just for the sake, because I said we want to go retrace into some of those gaps. So I'm just going to see if you gonna do anything in Asia. But it's the same principle. Like I only need good volume and good draw liquidity, but yeah, Asia sucks. So let's just go on the New York session. This is not the New York session. Hello? Okay. Now it is. Pretty much took the draw right here already. I don't like this. Any 4-hour, yeah, 4-hour unfilled gaps right here that we could target. And also we got some, yeah, NQ is more bullish, so we got some highs as well if we actually want to push through this one. So I'm just gonna mark it out in case we want to push above this. But let's see. Let's see. Okay, we close above it. Looks pretty promising. Okay, never mind. Kind of chop around, so I'm just gonna let price action play out a little bit. Now we push higher, don't get a retrace. Yeah, at this point it's too late. We already took out a draw movement, weird movement at the start. I don't like it. Boom, next day. Ended up dumping, and actually there should be a wonderful 4-hour. Yeah, wonderful 4-hour to fill that rejection right here. I'm just gonna mark out this rejection block just in case. Nah, I don't usually use those, but I mean this lowest also isn't that bad. Let's look 5-minute. Really bearish. I like this. We are setting up pretty nicely. No data candles. Okay. Okay, we kind of flip higher. Now I mean we got this London high, so we get a retrace and a flip. I would maybe take something, but we are chopping around. Okay, 10 a.m. news apparently just take both of the draws. Okay, keep on dumping. Are there any draws lower? This is not a good draw. I don't like it. Yeah, we are not doing anything. It's already too late. Okay, we ended up going a little bit more lower. Filled this 4-hour gap, unfortunately, but really, really bearish now. I would mark out this 4-hour unfilled. Thing is, are those equal? No, okay, ES took this shit out, so we got an SMT. I can't lie, like maybe this candle, but this is some like really risky shit. I don't want to really target this. Only if you get like the most A+ setup, I'm maybe down to take it, but yeah, look, when the 5 minute is choppy, I'm not going to the 1 minute. I'm simply skipping on the 5 minute till we get displacement. Okay. Took out this draw. What the fuck? Yeah, this shit looks so cooked. Let's see if he end up going higher. Never mind. Next day. Really cooked. Looks like that I can. Yep. That I can do. Still have this marked out. We kind of push. If he can push above this high, then I'm gonna be taking something. Okay, I like this. I'm gonna take this. This looks pretty good. Kind of displaced, get a really slow retrace, market open, just stall around, and then boom, got the flip. It's also should be a 50-minute gap. Reacted perfectly. I would say this is a really good trade, especially with the volume that we got from 8:30 news. I really like this. Smack like 650 on that. Or wait, how much drawdown do I have? Whatever, 650 seems reasonable. I would want to go break even. Okay, so what am I seeing here is we get a retrace, we get a flip, and we take out the internal high. Then we kind of move lower once again, but still end up leaving the protected low. So, and then go higher. So pretty much because of that, I don't want to go immediately break even right here, because this would be kind of too prematurely. This is like 0.3 hour into the trade. This is not something smart. I would love to see us push. Like, where does it make sense to go break even? Like, I could mark out the 50% mark of this, just in case, to see how we react. But honestly, I just want to let it run. This is good. Okay, didn't tap the 50% mark. If we get, okay, this, I like this. I like this. What if, maybe, yeah, I would just go break even here. Singing back. So this is a clear push. In this case, I actually don't think we should go to my entry anymore. Perfect. Yeah, exactly. Exact same shit. Look at this, guys. Internal high taken. Get another retrace. Tap this for a 1 minute gap. Boom, push. Get another retrace, but leave this protected low, like right here. And boom, straight to TP. Literally perfect execution, perfect management. I think this was one of the best trades that I took, management-wise, but the draw is not the greatest. So I'm staying humble. Okay, what the fuck? Look at that. Oh my god. We literally top ticked our take profit and then we dumped hella. This is not news. What the fuck? What caused this dump? Whatever. I don't care. Really fat bearish candles retracing into this 4 hour. We get some nice draws right here as well. Let's look at ES. Yeah, ES also has those lows. Oh, and this looks like data again. This looks like data again. Yep. Oh my god. And we're also setting up perfectly for the. If he tapped this 5 minutes of open, I'm gonna take it as my condition and just simply. I want to see it tap. No, please. I hate it. I hate when this shit happens. When we edge something off open. Okay, I'm gonna take this, guys. Okay, there's a reason. I told you I'm gonna see the 5 minute gap getting taken. But if we kind of fail to go and take the 5 minute gap, look at this now. We are 49 points away from the 5 minute gap, and we are also 54 points away from the most A plus drawn liquidity ever. And like, does it make sense to go higher now? For me personally, it doesn't. So I would take this. I would take this. Even if he edged the 5 minute gap, if he would have tapped the 5 minute gap right here, like we would have done right here, we would have pushed. Literally, how much points is that? We would have pushed 8 points more, but apparently you don't want to do it. So I'm gonna smack a lot on this, especially with my drawdown that I have. I'm gonna do like, yeah, let's do 725. Well, like one more time. This looks really clean. Gonna target this second draw because they are pretty close to each other and go break even when we take out the data low or when it just makes sense. Perfect, beautiful displacement. We could still come out to this gap. Okay, this is insane. Yeah, this is exactly what I like. I used to do this mistake all the time. Oh, we didn't tap the 5 minute gap. I'm not gonna take anything. No, if you would have tapped the 5 minute gap, you would have done it right here. And if you get displacement, I'm just simply gonna take it. But why did I get such a good fill? I don't know. I hope it hits. Don't get edged. I don't want to get edged. Okay, perfect. I was really afraid that we're gonna edge this next draw. I was thinking about trading to the next stop. But yeah, no SMT on ES as well. So pretty good. And we actually end up flushing. Like in those cases, sometimes I just want to think about trading my stop. Like we took out this, get another candle lower, trail to here, another candle lower, trail to here, another candle lower, trail to here, and then get stopped out for like almost 0.6 or more. But that's some devious shit that I need to learn to do and grow my balls. Because yeah. Okay, it looks like that again. I can't lie. No, okay, it isn't. Pretty heavy displacement lower. We got a good low here. It just seems like we are rejecting something. So maybe we got an SMT. Let me look right here. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Okay, ES is already all the way down here. So let me mark out all the ES draws. We just took one. Okay, I just want to see how we whether we respect this 50-minute gap or not. It looks like we can already take a short. I can't lie. Mm. I'm gonna see how the next candle opens. I want to see us put in like the higher wick maybe. We already did, okay. And now there's... I can't lie, I'm gonna take it. Like I kind of simulating the live markets right now, and we kind of bounce back of this 15-minute gap. Now it doesn't make any sense to go higher. Like, what is there higher to take for us? We rebalance pretty much everything. Overall, we're really bearish. Rebalance even the higher time frame gaps that are good. Drawn liquidity is lower. I'm not gonna target the last one if I get a 1-to-1 to the first. Yeah, I do get 1-to-1. Like, I'm gonna do something like this. This looks pretty good. Also, NQ tries to push lower. This is great. I like this. Risk. Let's just do... let's just do 700. 700 is good because my balance is pretty big. What the fuck is this? Why do I get such a good fill? Is this a limit? No, I'm in there. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, let's look in the 1 minute. I want to go break even on when we take out this low. Let's see. Okay, almost. Okay, honestly, I was expecting this kind of a retrace, but my stop is still protected. So, honestly, I would go break even now. I would go break even now just because look how we edged this low. Then we end up and pump really aggressively higher, then go lower. Now I would expect us to flush to the drawn liquidity. So if we don't flush now, I don't want to be in this anymore. Okay, what the fuck? This is like some thick perfect precision. Yeah, like this the reason that I didn't take it because that I didn't let it ride because first of all we edge this 5 minute 1 minute low right here. We also got like the internal low. We also got really close, retrace higher, and then push lower. It's the same thing. If you go higher and push lower below my entry, I honestly don't want to see us go above there one more time. So to be honest, I should have been break even with this candle, but I kind of skipped too far. So it was a good decision that I got break even here. And yeah. So apparently we don't want to take out the draw. And which is fine. I mean, which is all right. Kind of slow down here. Now we got volume. I'm not gonna take multiple trades a day. It's also okay. We are half done with the month, and it's 22 minutes. So let's see. This looks like a data candle. Yep. I'm literally not gonna mark out anything else besides this data candle. I like this. We just displace. Okay, I guess we don't want to take the data candle. There's literally nothing to target. There's literally nothing to target. I don't know. There's nothing. I'm gonna wait till we get something to the data candle. Let's see if you get something. If it displays lower, gonna go skip 55 minutes. Okay, too late. Oh, that she wants. Maybe we got the data low. Okay, marked out right here. Seems like we are more bullish, I would say. Or nah, we are more bearish 100%. Because ES also looks a little bit more different, but this is like a big wick. We could target this, but we could also target all of those build up equal lows. Also, just because we are in this 1 hour bearish structure on ES as well, on NQ2. This looks like data candle once again. Wait. Yeah, it is, but we already kind of took it. Or did we? Wait, let me just see. You're gonna take it. Yep. Let's see if we kind of go lower now. Keep on making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, now you can displace lower, but NQ is ranging. I want to see NQ push lower as well. NQ doesn't not push lower. Whole lot of chop, whole lot of chop, whole lot of chop. Next day. I don't like this at all. Boom. No, I think this is wrong once again, right? Yep. Okay, now this is setting up really good for a long, because this looks like we are in a 4-hour gap right here. Yep. 4-hour gap. We got some nice draws up here as well. This look, like in case you want to go down, this is something I would take. Just wait, this is FX. If one time frame does not work for you on backtesting, just go and select your layout one more time, and then it should work. Okay, I set myself a condition and just gonna see what we do off this 50-minute gap. If we pump through it, I'm gonna take a long. If we respect it, I'm waiting for a short. Okay, we just tapped it and I'm gonna see how we, okay, 50-minute close really beautifully. So it seems like you wanna take the high. I mean, it looks really good. I can't lie, I would wanna entry already. Um, let's see. Let's see. Let's see the next 5-minute candle open. Okay, just tapped it. Let's see if we're gonna reject out of that. Seems like we drop around. Okay, now we're gonna, okay, nothing. Literally nothing. What are we doing, bro? I guess. Okay, it's fine. Next day. Oh my god, we pumped. Insane amount. Okay, looks really, really bullish. Just look at some SMTs. Okay, we got an, okay. NQ is crazy bullish, but with this volume, I don't really care. Like, because ES is all the way down there. So, we are already setting up for a bullish, for some longs. Just want to see how we behave on the 50 minutes, how the structure looks like overall. So, again, this is my condition. I'm just going to see what we're going to do. And apparently, we are pumping. And this looks good. This looks really clean. Overall, higher time frame really bullish as well. I like this, but I honestly need like a limit order. Mm, yeah, this is kind of far. Yeah, that's why I don't limit order. Let's see if you get a flip. Did we inverse the 15? Yeah, we did, but this wick is atrocious. Okay, yeah, I don't like all the wicks down there. Yeah, even though we take it out, I don't like all the wicks. This is so weird. Again, next day. Oh, we are in Asia again. What the fuck? Okay, now 9:30, right? Perfect. Yeah, looks like we're still setting up and going higher. So for some longs, clearing off this 4-hour gap, everything looks really bullish. 50-minute structure, also pretty good. I like this. I like this a lot. Just want to see us pump higher off open. This would be good. Lower is also fine, but we should flip now if I want to take some longs. This really heavy displacement on the 50-minute lower. I want to see if there are any targets. Not really. Not really. I'm not gonna shorten this structure. Like any bullish candle is pretty much fine. Cause bro, we are so bullish on the higher time frame. 5 minutes, good displacement. Did we take this out? Nah. Let's see. I'm still open to take. Okay, it's getting late. Getting late and we are not moving efficiently. So um this is good. Unfilled gap. This is also really clean. The thing is, I want to see how we react to this. So if we go lower now this would be also not that bad. ES moves so weird, so I'm just looking at NQ right now. Okay, really aggressive pump, take out the high. This is some heavy displacement. Lower. But there are no draws left. Yeah, I like this. I like the short, but this candle is too aggressive. Like I wouldn't get a 1-to-1. If they stop like this. Yeah, this is wait. How's ES looking like? We are still like we are heavily rejecting. I mean, I could see myself taking this, I can't lie. This doesn't look that bad. Let's see how the next candle opens up. If you kind of flip bearish, I would love this and would love to see keep this structure kind of going, but looks like yeah, that's why I didn't take it. I just wanna, it's kind of too premature and too bullish of a higher time frame. Yeah, I don't like this range. Weird. Simply gonna go to the next day. We're almost done. I'm pretty happy that we are almost done with the backtesting session. Really bullish for me now. Hop on the 4-hour top down analysis, reacting off the 4-hour. Boom, all the draws right here. Boom, boom, boom. Equal highs on the 1-hour. Pushing higher. No reason to go lower now. 5-minute looks really good. There are 5-minute gaps as well. 50-minute gaps that we could potentially use as our condition. Boom, tap the 50-minute gap. Let's see how we react. Okay, I like this. I like this flip TV. I like it. I can't lie, I like it a lot. I'm gonna take a bigger stop and target this. Can I target the first? Can also target the first draw, but I'm gonna target the. Let me just do something like this. Just let me go. Just let me go for the first draw. Let's go for like quarter of a risk. Boom, boom, boom. Like let's do 750. This is good. I like the flip. Really aggressive. This is good. I'm gonna go break even. Um, come on. Okay, got break even here. Please. Oh, would have played out. Yes, yes. Stop is still protected because it's in. Yeah, it's kind of 50-minute gap stop. Yeah, I know, I know. But like, just deliver, gang. Like, no point in edging 7 points to retrace 18 into nothing and then take out a draw. But again, it is what it is. I cannot control the market. I'm just doing what I'm supposed to do and literally no draws left, right? Is this all-time high? I think this is all-time high. Oh, never mind. Just go to next day. So swept out lots of things. Got this big bearish daily wick that I am gonna mark out. 1 hour. Oh, this is a data candle, 100% right. Earnings candle. What is this? FOMC? Wednesday? Looks like FOMC. Um, I don't know, like still looks pretty bearish because of FOMC, how FOMC moved. Unfilled 4-hour right here. Yeah, I don't know. Pretty weird structure. Just gonna, what the fuck, out those candles. Just gonna see what we are gonna behave like. Like any bearish candle, like any big bearish candle, I would say. This is not that bad. Failed to move higher. Yeah, but still need a little bit more confirmation. Apparently, we want to take out those highs. I don't like longing in a def gap. Let's see how we react of this rejection. It's too late. What am I looking at? We kind of reacted pretty good. Left some equal. Oh no, not equal, but some predominant lows right here. A big, big low. Only draw I personally see. ES took it out though, so you got an SMT. Okay, this could push us higher into this high, I guess, which is unfortunately protected by this gap. So I would want to see the most A plus setup in order to take something to there, but yeah, let's look. Okay, looks like we are gonna lower. Do we want to invalidate the SMT? Yes, seems like it, but do I get an entry? This is some news. Yeah, fortunately. Oh, we end up edging it and we go higher. which is a good sign for longs, but we fall back right into the range and fuck everything up. So I'm gonna take and go to the next day. Are we already done? Okay, a few more days, few more days. How many trades have you taken so far? You have taken, oh my god, again. Please, let's keep the streak going. I uploaded like 3 backtesting sessions on my channel, and every single one has been 100% win rate. So we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, and 4 of them wins, 2 break evens, which is really nice. I definitely missed 1 or 2 trades as well. But 6 trades isn't that bad for alpha frequency. I would want to be more bullish just because of the 4-hour gap here, and we inverse this 1 hour as well. Kind of expect us to put in a failure swing. One thing that I don't like is ES took out the high, and now we are kind of SMTing at the top. Okay, this... I want to see more bullish candles. We are gonna get a retrace now. I can already feel that. Exactly. Not a good flip, not a good flip. I don't like this. Okay. I mean, if you want to take this low, I'm down, but I don't like that it's in a 4-hour gap. We're stuck in this range though, so I think this is valid, but I need to see a bigger retrace of a higher time frame gap. And not an accumulation like this, swept out those highs. Did we tap anything? Tap a 5-minute already. Okay, manipulated those highs. Edge to 15 and Q tap to 15. This is like a good draw. Like, oh, it's so late, bro. It's so late. It's such a big risk to reward ratio. Like, it's good. I'm not gonna take this. I honestly, it doesn't even look that bad. But the fact how we react off this low, the drawn liquidity is not the greatest. We are in this 50-minute gap. We are accumulating here. Like, it is not the worst trade, I would say, but too many things speaking against it. There are like 2 or 3 main things that I don't like. It's the drawn liquidity, how we react of this. Like, we took this low and start chopping around immediately, so this is something that I don't want to see. And it's already 10:57, so okay, never mind. 0 drawdown trade, by the way. I took this, yeah, I took this. 2.3 R. Yeah, man, I don't want to end on a loss, bro. I want to have a 100% win rates backtesting session. Yeah, draw is... I mean, the draw is pretty clean though. Like, even though it's in a 4-hour gap, 4-hour gap, this looks clean. Accumulate, boom, manipulate. Yeah, low key, it's alright. Like, it's alright, fine. It's fine. There are reasons why I stayed out, right? So if I'm in doubt, I'd rather stay out. So that's something I learned from a wise man. Why you looking like that? Some pretty nice stack lows that we could target of this 1-hour gap. Tuesday usually moves pretty good. We take out the first draw, take out the second draw. Only draw that I see is this one. But in order to take this, we gotta see displacement, which we actually get. This is setting up really nicely. I'm looking forward to take something, but ES is really uncorrelated. No 1-to-1 here, I can't lie. I'm not gonna take this. Give me a retrace, a proper retrace. Yeah, this is a 5-minute retrace. I can already tell that. Yep. 5-minute retrace. But no shot I'm getting an entry. This looks really clean though. I could try and go entry right here and play like a bigger stop above the whole 5-minute gap here. But yeah, I'm not gonna do this. No, yeah, I don't like. We should have delivered here. I don't like this at all. Would have worked out one more time. I'm just too hesitant right now. everything screams bearish. We got a good draw on liquidity. We're displacing for draws, delivering off higher time frame gaps, delivering off a 5-minute gap, respecting that. I should have just taken this and played like I told y'all. Played a stop, a little bit risk off, played a stop above this 5-minute gap right here, and still be safe. Boom, boom, and catch this beautiful trade. But yeah, my balls are too small, whatever. This is like a really good month. March 23 is like really packed. I low-key missed like already 3 or 4 trades, so we should have been at like 10 wins, whatever. But yeah, it's fine. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. It's 100% win rate. We are still up 3.3k. It can always be more, right? So now it doesn't want to load. Ah, please, we are already 40 minutes deep. Boom. Okay, we are really overextended on the 4-hour. Really, really overextended. Also SMT those. Still stuck in the range. I want to see us fall back in the range and us take out some unfilled higher time frame gaps, especially with how overextended we are. There are good draws. Took out this on a 1-hour gap. SMT at the highs. I like that. I like that. I like that. Still very bullish though, so gotta be careful if I want to short. Okay, we end up pumping higher, so I'm not gonna try to predict something or whatever. I'm just reacting to price and what it tells me, and it tells me we are really bullish. We want to go higher. Kind of giving shallow retraces and slow flips, so I take that into consideration. Just chopping around right now. Looks like some weird day. Now we flip. This is good. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Let's see how we behave in those 15-minute gaps. Still pretty far away from the draw, and yeah, we are respecting the bullet structure, so I'm not gonna try and prematurely take something. And it's already 12. I didn't even realize that. Okay, I think it's March. March, 2 more days, right? The 31st. So let's do that real quick. I'm tired already and I have lots of stuff to do. Okay, we already took this out on ES. We gotta take it out on NQ though. But we are so overextended that I want to see a retrace into a 4-hour gap. Honestly, like just a move lower because I feel like you're gonna take the draw off open. Looks like a deep slow retrace. I can't lie. This doesn't look that bad. Nah, it's choppy. It's really choppy. Took out the draw. Now we are displacing lower. Like any lows that I could like, I don't know what I want to target. I want to see displacement lower. Yeah, I'm not gonna prematurely jump the gun in a bullish structure, but to draw an overall lower time frame structure right here, I don't like it. So, and also my head is fried, guys. I'm speaking more slowly and slowly, and also I just want to end this shit. So it's the last day. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's don't take a loss. I want to keep the 100% win streak. I might just not take a trade, but if there's something good, I'm gonna take it. Looks like this will be a protected high. It also looks like we have some daily gaps below. One big daily gap that we could target. Also, before that, there's some 4-hour gaps as well and a okayish low. We are rejecting that right here. We got an SMT, so I really want to see us go lower. And especially because there's a data candle. I'm afraid we are gonna take it off open. Okay, never mind. Wait, is there data high? No. Like, of the 50-minute, this looks... I mean, this would have been not that bad if the draw was still great, but we already took it out on ES. And I don't know, it doesn't look... I mean, it doesn't look that great because we already took it on ES. Like, there's no reason to target that. I want to see us take data low. Now we took the draw of the 15 minutes. This would have been like good, especially if the SMT at those lows. Okay, I'm throwing right now. Missed like 5 trades already. Come on, let's take the data low. We're not gonna leave the data low for later, right? You're not gonna leave the data low for later, right? No way you're gonna pump, bro. Okay. Oh my god, we actually pumped. I could have entered everywhere, bro, from here. But yeah, this is pretty much the backtesting session. So we got 6 trades, 4 wins, 2 break-evens. Lots of trades missed because I'm kind of cooked. My head is cooked, but I still hope you could have kind of see how I trade and maybe even learn something. But yeah, leave a like, leave a sub if you don't mind. So let's look at the stats. Boom, 0% win rate is not true. 100% win rate, average risk reward ratio is wrong again because I had 2 break evens and just boom, 6 trades won. Also 2 of those count to break even. So let's look. Yeah, this looks amazing. This looks really good. Really good backtesting session. Really good month. I can't lie. There were much more trades. I could have like taken 10 trades. You saw that. Kind of hesitated on the last ones, but it is what it is. Looks really, really nice. Looks like a good. Wait, as you can see, boom, 3.3k in 6 trades is amazing. Yeah, W backtesting session. If you like this, wait, let me do a thumbnail real quick. If you like this, just leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, much love, guys. Thanks for the support, IT. Let's get to 1K subs. Bye bye.